Hi everyone, welcome to the channel, and let's review today what is Forex. Without even knowing, we all participating in the Forex market when we are traveling or simply buying some foreign goods. For example, if we are living in US and we want to buy some French Pinot Noir wine, we are going to the wine shop and giving our US dollars and get a bottle of wine, while the seller using our US dollars to exchange to euros to buy more bottles of French wine. And that's how foreign exchange happening. Another example, if we want to go to the Egypt and see pyramids, we need to exchange our US dollars to Egypt pounds. And if we haven't spent them all during the trip, we need to change them back to US dollars. All those exchange operations are part of foreign currency exchange process. But together with us, simple travelers and wine lovers, there are other, much bigger participants in the foreign exchange market, such as currency exchanges, banks, and governments, which also need exchange currencies to buy some goods from other banks and other governments. And they are buying and selling $1 trillion worth of currencies every day. And you can imagine those transfers could not be done by physically transferring such amount of currencies. That's why in early 70s, as soon as internet appeared, Forex online market was created. Biggest international banks organized the international online currency market, which we now call Forex. So since then, Forex is a global online market accessible to anyone with internet connection. At this video, we'll be taking a closer look at what Forex is, how it works, and advantages and challenges of trading in the Forex market. So let's get started. Let's now have a closer look how Forex is working and how people are trading on the Forex. On Forex, market currencies do not have prices as its own. There is only an exchange rate, or they call it pairs. For example, you want to exchange Euro to USD, and exchange rate as of today is 1.07, means giving 1 euro you will get $1.07. Forex traders take advantage of changes in exchange rate to make a profit. When the exchange rate changes, the value of one currency may increase or decrease in relation to another. By buying a currency with a high exchange rate and selling it when exchange rates decreases, Forex traders can make a profit. Let me show you very simple practical example. Let's look at the exchange rate of USD Euro pair during last few days. As we can notice, the exchange rate was 0.92 on 31st January and 0.91 on the 1st February. And for example, you bought Euro using USD on the 31st January because you was planning the trip to the Paris on 1st February. So you used your 100 USD and you got 92 euros. But some plans changed and trip was postponed, and you decided to change it back on the 1st February, while the exchange rate was already 0.91. And after you exchange your Euro back to USD, you received $101.10. Means we've just made $1.10 from nowhere. And now imagine if you're changing $1,000. What about $100,000? And what about a million or even a billion? In case of the big amount of exchange currency, those small fluctuations in exchange rate can make a significant difference in profit or loss of exchange operations. Now that we have a basic understanding of Forex and Forex trading, let's take a look at some of the advantages of Forex trading. Forex trading offers several unique advantages compared to other financial markets. One of the biggest advantages is the ability to trade 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. This allows traders to take advantage of market movements at any time, regardless of their schedule. Forex is a global market, with a currency being traded from all over the world. This means that traders have access to a vast pool of currencies and can take advantage of market movements from anywhere in the world. Forex traders also use leverage to maximize their profits. Leverage is essentially borrowing money from the broker to trade with a large amount of capital. Another advantage of Forex trading is that it is accessible to smaller traders. With low entry requirements and the ability to trade with the leverage, small traders can access the Forex market with a relatively small investment. Finally, Forex trading offers flexibility and control to trades. With the ability to trade from anywhere in the world and the ability to trade a variety of currency pairs, Forex traders have the ability to design a trading strategy that works best for them. And you are on the right channel to learn about how to build trading strategies, so don't forget to subscribe to the channel. But now let's also talk about some challenges and risks that came with Forex trading. Forex traders face a number of challenges, including the need of discipline, staying up to date with the market changes, and emotional control. First of all, a lack of discipline can lead to impulsive trades and emotional decisions, which can lead to potential losses. It is also important for Forex traders to stay up to date with the market and world economic news, as they can impact their trades. Maintaining emotional control is also crucial in Forex trading. Traders need to be able to stay calm and make logical decisions even under significant emotional pressure, rather than letting emotions to drive their trades. To overcome these challenges, it's important for Forex traders to have a solid trading plan. This can include setting goals, creating a strategy, and having a discipline and patience in executing the plan without emotions. By being aware of challenges and risks of Forex trading and taking steps to address them, traders can increase their chances of success in the Forex market. In conclusion, Forex is a market where you can buy and sell currencies. It's the largest financial market in the world and offers many opportunities for traders and investors. However, it also comes with risks and challenges that need to be carefully managed. Forex can be a rewarding experience when approached with a proper research, education, and risk management. So if you're considering entering the Forex market, take the time to educate yourself and understand the market dynamics, trading strategies, and create a trading plan. And as a first step, you can subscribe to my channel, as I'm covering all of those topics in my videos. So don't forget to subscribe. And that's all for today. I hope that the video was useful for you. Please hit the like button, leave your comments, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.